Hi, fourth grade. Today for math, we're going to be talking about customary units of capacity. And the amount of liquid a container can hold is its capacity, and different containers measure different capacities. Now, you're already familiar with these, but let's review. 1 fluid ounce, that would be about the size, as you can see, of a bottle of nail polish. 1 cup. Now you probably have something like this at home, and that is a cup. A pint is like a small carton of milk or half and half or something, and that's a pint. A quart's a little more than that. And a gallon, as you can see, you're familiar with a gallon. A gallon is what you get your milk in, you drink it on your cereal every day. So now let's take a look. The question we're going to ask today is, which of these would we use for a task? So let's take a look. Jorge is filling an aquarium. Which container should Jorge use to fill his aquarium most quickly? Would he use a cup? Would he use a quart? Or would he use a gallon? Now there's the aquarium right here. So what do you think? To fill the aquarium most quickly, Jorge should use the container that will hold the most liquid. So, which of these would hold the most liquid? The gallon is the largest unit. It will fill the aquarium most quickly. Did you get that? Let's turn the page. Niall is pouring salsa into a small bowl. Is the most reasonable estimate for the capacity of the bowl 8 ounces, 8 cups, 8 quarts, or 8 gallons? Now think for a minute. Let's look back here. Would a bowl hold 8 of these, 8 of these, 8 of these, 8 of these, or 8 of these? Now think about it. Would you really want 8 gallons of salsa? That's a lot of salsa. So let's take a look. The salsa is a small amount, so 8 gallons, 8 quarts, and 8 cups are too large. The most reasonable estimate for the capacity of the bowl is 8 ounces. Now let's take a look in our book on page 710. We're going to do this together, and then I'm going to let you do a couple of pages on your own. It says, choose the most reasonable estimate for each capacity. So let's take a look at the fishbowl. Would that be 1 ounce, 1 pint, 1 quart, or 100 quarts? So you go back and take a look at this page. Does it look like it's 1 ounce? Not so much. 1 cup? I don't know. That fish would have a hard time swimming around in that little cup. But a quart? If you poured a quart into that fish bowl, that probably makes the most sense. So the answer for this one is 1 quart. How about this one? Here's a pitcher. Would that have 4 fluid ounces, 10 cups, 400 cups, or 10 gallons? What do you think makes the most sense? Did you say 10 cups? 10 cups is the right answer. It's too big for 4 fluid ounces. It's way too small for 400 cups or 10 gallons. Let's try one more. This looks like a cup. Would this hold an ounce, a cup, a pint, or a gallon? What do you think? If you chose 1 cup, you were correct. Now, I want you to complete page 711 on your own. And then I want you to skip over and do 713 and 714. Now on 713, you're going to be drawing lines to match each object to a reasonable capacity. If you have questions, you can contact me. Hope you have a great time doing this, and look around your house for more units of capacity.